Hello Tamariki, how are you? Okay, so today we are going to do a science experiment and I'm very excited to share this video with you guys because I actually thought it was pretty cool too. We are going to need a few things before we start. So we need 2 cups. You can use whatever cups you want. Try and get see-through cups if you do have, okay? We need food colouring. I am going here. Who can tell me what colour this one is? Pink, that's right. I am going to use pink, and you can use whatever colour you want or as many as you want. The more, the better. We need a jug of water, and we need oil. You can use whatever oil you want. I'm going to use this one. And then we need something to stir. Now I'm going to use one of these. You can use whatever you want. You can use your finger, you can use your spoon, you can use whatever you want. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. Now, I'm going to try and move the camera so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, we are going to take the oil and we are going to add it in one of the cups. Now, I will show you guys how much we add. So, pour it in first. Whoops, I almost tipped the cup over. Alright, there we go. Let me show you guys. That's how much oil I'm using. Alright, then we are going to take the water and add the water into the other cup. There you go. Okay, now you can use as much water as you want, just as long as it's more than the oil. Okay, so as you can see, there's more water than there is oil. Do you see? All right, sweet. Now we are going to take the food coloring. Okay, now I want you guys to tell me, what do you think is going to happen if we add oil to the water? Who knows? Yes, that's right. It is not going to mix. So we can add it, but it is not going to mix. So the same if we add food colouring to the oil. It's not going to mix, okay? But we are going to do something really cool, okay? So we're going to add a few drops to the oil, all right? Just a few. All right. And then we are going to mix that. Alright, so this is where you can use your spoon, your finger. I'm going to use one of these. Alright, because I personally don't like the feeling of oil on my fingers or hands. Alright, let's put that in there. And now, what do you guys think we're going to do? Alright, we are going to take this. As you can see, there's bubbles in the oil. Can you see it? You guys see the bubbles? Alright, that is because the food colouring and oil does not mix. Okay? We're going to take this and we are going to pour it into the water. And then we're going to see what happens. Okay? So, what I'm hoping to happen is, I wonder, do you guys think that the oil is going to stay on top? Or is it going to go down to the bottom? Alright, let's see. Going to hold it in the air so you guys can see, okay? Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Alright, I want you to try and get all the colour out, okay? And then I want you to watch what is happening. Do you see the colour moving down? That is so cool, isn't it? Alright, now if you use blue or you use yellow, you're going to even have a better colour scheme and it's going to be so cool, yeah? Alright, and as you can see, the oil and water does not mix. The oil stays on top, okay? And the color goes down into the water, and then it's going to turn the water into